Saksham Didi, I've been hearing so much buzz lately. I've heard about Gift City. Can you explain what it is exactly?
Great question, Rahul. Gift City is India's first special economic zone for financial services. It was set up in 2015 in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. It is a financial hub where all products and services, including life insurance, are in foreign currency only. ICICI Prudential has opened a branch there so that we can offer plans in US dollars.
So it's not a product itself?
Correct. It's a financial hub. It is so popular that over 10,000 NRIs have already opened bank accounts and approximately 5,000 NRIs invested 60,000 crore rupees in various fund schemes in year 2024 alone.
That sounds like a massive opportunity. So, what is the name of the plan we are launching from this Gift City branch?
It is called ICICI Pru, Global Wealth Multiplier. It is our first ever market-linked plan for NRIs from Gift City. The plan offers double advantage of investing in US dollars and unique global funds. To understand why this is a game changer, let us see the 10 powerful features that make this plan stand out. Our first powerful feature is that it provides growth and protect plan options. The advantage is that it gives customers a choice between pure wealth accumulation or adding a massive safety net. First, growth plan. Focused on maximizing long-term wealth through global diversification. High flexibility for wealth accumulation. Second, protect plan. Along with the growth, it also includes an inbuilt waiver of premium. On the death of the life assured, the company pays all future premiums. The family gets the death benefit immediately, and the goal stays on track to pay the full fund value at maturity.
That's incredible security, but why is the dollar factor so important?
Well, that we can understand from our second powerful feature, where we get advantage of investing in USD. Its advantage is that the entire policy premiums and benefits is denominated in US dollars. Also, the benefit for your NRI client is that it gives additional income to the customer in the form of currency appreciation over the policy term. As we have seen the trend, the dollar gets stronger every year. Therefore, their wealth automatically grows and gives higher value when converted into rupees at maturity.
True. And where does that money grow?
For that we have our 6 new fund offerings. Its advantage is that it gives access to 6 globally diversified equities, gold, and debt funds. Customer can diversify their portfolio across US and other developed countries. The benefit is that your NRI client gets a total portfolio diversification solution. Customers aren't stuck in one market. They capture growth from developed economies and stable assets like gold, which provides them with better long-term wealth creation.
Global exposure is a huge pool, but is it a headache for NR is to manage the tax?
No worries at all for NRIs, as this plan provides tax efficiency and ease of repatriation. There is no cap on premium for earning tax-free maturity and no TDS from the proceeds. An NRI benefits by getting all the maturity and withdrawal proceeds freely, as it is fully repatriable to their overseas bank accounts. No complex regulatory approvals are required.
That's a relief. Can they use this for a regular income stream?
Absolutely. They can use it because they can do systematic withdrawals, DSWP, as a regular income stream solution. Its advantage is that it can transfer predetermined payouts from the fund value. This benefits NRIs by providing them a steady USD income, and a strengthened dollar means the family receives more rupees to support their parents or families in India.
That's very practical. Does 100% of their money go into the fund?
This plan provides you with zero premium allocation charge. Its advantage is that there are no upfront deductions from the premium amount. The 100% of the customer's money starts working from day one. There is no waiting period for growth.
High efficiency, but do they have to pay for long term?
No, the payment options start from 3 years, which is much shorter PPT as compared to other investments. Its advantage is to give flexibility through limited premium commitment periods. It is perfect for NRIs who want to finish their financial obligations during their peak earning years abroad.
Flexibility is key. What if they need money for an emergency midway?
For that, we have partial withdrawal facility from 4th policy term. Liquidity access after just 36 months. They can withdraw up to 25% of the fund value in a year for unplanned financial needs without impacting the benefits of the base policy.
Good to know. And at maturity, do they have to take all the money at once?
No, we do have a settlement option. Choice to receive the maturity benefit in installments for up to 15 years or stay invested. The money continues to stay invested and grow in USD even after the policy term has ended. NRIs can take the money in the form of monthly or quarterly installments, or if they do not need the money, then they can stay invested in the plan.
And what if they have a sudden bonus and want to invest more?
There is a top-up facility for your clients. Ability to add surplus funds anytime, except for the last 5 years of policy term. An easy way to boost wealth and increase the total life insurance cover simultaneously.
This is a powerhouse of a plan. Thank you so much for the explanation, Sakshamji. Everything is so clear now.
My pleasure, Rahul. It's all about providing the right value to our NRI customers.
I will go and explain this to the clients now and try to consult them on these amazing benefits.
That's the spirit. All the best, Rahul. Let's make this a huge success. Make sure you make the most of this wonderful plan and showcase these features, advantages, and benefits of Global Wealth Multiplier Plan to your clients, and here's a quick summary table for your reference. Thank you.